Today we're going to be discussing Shiba Inu Coin and the DogeDAO. Let's get into the video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach and welcome back to Finance Bro. Before we get into the video, I'd like to ask you guys to please leave a comment of how many Shiba Inu Coin you have, how many you want to have, and also consider leaving a like and subscribe as it really helps with the growth of the channel. And if you guys are interested in joining our private Discord, this is actually going to be it. So click the second link in the description, come to this page, and then select any of these three tiers. Any of these three tiers will get you access to the private Discord for as low as $5 a month. So if you guys want to join our private Discord, go ahead and do that with that second link in the description. And if you guys want some free Shiba Inu Coin, then go ahead and use the first link in the description. Get signed up with Public, the social investing app. That is what you're going to be looking at right now. Deposit $1 and you'll get up to $70 worth of free stock that you can then sell and invest into Shiba Inu Coin and get yourself some free Shib with that first link in the description. Without any further ado, let's get into our crypto for today, which is going to be Shiba Inu Coin. So here we are on Public.com. We can see Shiba Inu Coin is down about 0.62%, and this is okay because we are trading right on very low volume in the past 24 hours, and even this past week has been very low volume wise. Now this is for a couple of reasons, but we'll go over that at the end of the video in the technical analysis, but before then we have to go over a few other things first. But make sure you stick around till the end of the video to hear all that. First, I do want to check the social activity of Shiba Inu Coin. Now obviously we have been gone for a while. If you guys did not know, Kyle and I both went on a 3-day vacation, so we have not been up to date on the Shiba Inu Coin news in the past 3 days. Luckily, I've been scouring the internet. Doesn't look like much has happened except for what we're going over in today's video. So we will catch you up with this video from where we were. But anyways, Shiba Inu Coin is the 5th most active cryptocurrency or stock on StockTwits today. So I'm definitely excited to see how this also ends up tomorrow, to see if they're still on this active list when the stock market opens back up. But for now, Shiba Inu Coin sitting at that number 5 spot. But anyways, this is going to be the big piece of news here from @Shib token. The DogeDAO is here. Woof. So this is going to be a blog and we're going to be going over what the DogeDAO is and why you should be paying attention to it. So here we are on blog.shibaswap.com, and if you guys don't know, this is where Shiba Inu Coin and their team is going to be kind of releasing everything, all these announcements. So if you don't know, they already have 3 different announcements here, but the DogeDAO is here. So let's go over what the DogeDAO is and why you should be paying attention. We believe in reducing the level of accountability that our team must place in each other and deterring from the ability to exert authority or control over certain areas. Basically, they want to keep Shiba Inu Coin as decentralized as possible. This is in order to broadcast the capacity of community-oriented decisions in ways that can accelerate the growth of Shiba Inu, a true essence of decentralization. So DogeDAO, Shib continues its original mission, always working towards decentralization. DogeDAO will be released in a stage-by-stage metric and phased approach. This allows the community to understand what are the needs and requirements of the project, while also attending to the possibilities that the ecosystem brings to the community. For any of our releases, our belief system always targets a smooth transition that keeps things secure, balanced, and stable, not just a project on the side project side, but on the final user experience, while reviewing the impact it will have in the process. So basically, they want to keep things decentralized, so they're giving power to the investors. The first phase of the DogeDAO is going to be rolled out, so we are happy to announce and share with you the first phase, called DAO 1 or Beta. DAO 1 is focused on providing immediate power to the community in order to decide which crypto projects and pairs on the ShibaSwap Woof pools will be, and how bone rewards allocation points are to be distributed amongst them. This is the first crucial step orienting our decentralized exchange to grow, while promoting all the benefits to the Shib army, such as pairs, and welcoming new investors to the platforms. So through the newly community voting system, users will be able to distribute their voting power when holding T-Bone, the staked form of Bone. So if you stake your Bone, you will have a lot more power into their preferred projects in order to effectively challenge the following. Make those projects available in our official pools, choose how these will affect the APs, and decide the amount of Bone the pairs will receive as rewards, and encouraging the systematic DAO method to be be fully achieved by a fully decentralized community process. So basically, they're trying to make this a decentralized thing while still kind of promoting the use of staking and the Shiba Swap platform, which is good to see in my opinion. Basically, from this point forward, any and all projects that want to form part of our WOOF pools will need to be decided by community voting. So there's not going to be a centralized authority over kind of what pairs are on the exchange. It's going to be from the community, which I think is a positive. So diving deeper into how it all works, there will be a list of top 50 liquidity/volume pairs from Shiba Swap, and each user can weigh their important votes into the project or projects they're interested in. This tool will motivate and allow external projects and their developers to provide liquidity for their tokens/pairs while aiding Shiba Swap to continuously increase its utility and volume. So basically, they're trying to make it easier for different things, such as, I don't know, like Shinobi, who want sort of to be on Shiba Swap, and the community, if they think it's a good project that will help out Shib in some way, maybe they're implementing Shib burns, and they are the top top voted pair on there, then they will be added to the liquidity/volume pairs. So we'll have to see how this kind of unfolds when the DogeDAO is fully rolled out, but it's really cool to see that the community is getting all this power. What happens next on the following Monday after launch? APs and pairs will be determined depending on the results of the voting process, and totaling 30 pairs as a maximum will be executed and processed to appear into WOOF pools. The executed pairs will be showcased for a period of 14 days, and their APs will remain there until the next voting occurs. So basically what this is Shiba Inu Coin giving the power back to the people and keeping it as decentralized as possible, and giving you voting rights in order to see what is going to be on Shiba Swap and what is not. And this is just the version 1 of the DogeDAO. They will be introducing new phases of that very system through the same screen. This is what they're going to call DAO 2, which will be a system that allows the community to make generic proposals to be considered or reviewed by the multi-sig team and breed. So basically right now, the DAO 1 allows you to vote on things produced from a kind of centralized authority. DAO 2 is going to be a system where you can make generic proposals that will then be voted on by the community. So right now we have voting rights, but someone also proposes those from a centralized authority. As soon as DAO 2 comes, we will see the right to make a generic proposal that is not from a centralized authority, from a decentralized place. So yeah, that's what's happening with the DogeDAO. But anyways, let's go over what has happened since Kyle and I have been gone at the cabin. By the way, guys, we have a vlog coming out. Definitely subscribe to our vlog channel with that third link in the description of our trip at the cabin. It was really cool. Anyways, so today Shiba Inu Coin is still down about 1%, and it is sitting at number 13, still above Matic and below Dogecoin, sitting at about $18.5 billion market cap, and this volume is very low. The volume is now down to 500 million, which is lower than when I left, and that was about $1 billion. So I don't like to see this when I try to see big runs in Shiba Inu Coin. However, seeing this volume being low is kind of good, considering we don't have any big news coming out in the next couple of days. Or even in the next week or two that I can see, until that big piece of news does drop, that catalyst that will take us higher does drop, I'm okay with us having a lower volume so that we don't go on a steady decline and we kind of just trade to the right. But anyways, seeing as we have had a lower volume ever since I have left, it looks like we have just been trading to the right between these two resistance lines at the 32 and the 36, honestly mostly between the 33 and the 35. However, it has been to the right, which is good to see, not going down. Obviously, we are trending down on the MACD, and we are now sitting at about a 35 RSI, which I don't really love to see. However, until we get that catalyst that is going to take us out of this kind of not downtrend but consolidation phase we're in right now, I'm kind of okay with us consolidating a bit more and just staying at about that $500 million volume range until we get that catalyst we need. But yeah, we are still going to have this resistance here at the 36, and then as well as the the 32. But yeah, make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe on the videos. It really helps with the growth of the channel. Comment how much Shiba Inu coin you have down below, and then also get your free stock with the first link in the description. Join our private Discord with the second link in the description. And if you guys want to subscribe to our vlog channel, which we're putting out a new vlog very soon, then go ahead and use that third link in the description to subscribe to that channel. But yeah, that's pretty much going to be it. My name is Zach, and I hope to see you in the next video.